In order to embed a YouTube video on your web page, you will need to use the embed code from YouTube. So the first thing you do is go and log into YouTube and go to your account and click on Video Manager. Locate the video that you wish to embed, and in this case I'll use this one. You can go ahead and go to that video. It starts automatically. You can end that rather promptly. And scroll down and click on Share. And when you click on Share, you will see your actual URL for the video, but you can also click on Embed to get the embed code. And there it is. Notice I'm not using the old embed code. I'm not checking those boxes. So we'll copy that and go to Dreamweaver, where I have entered some text. And in order to embed the video, I'll need to go to the code. And right here, we will paste in the code. Okay, notice it's in the body of the document. So there it is. We can go back to design to view it, and in fact it is now embedded, although we do not see it in this view. Even if we try to preview it in Safari or Firefox, any browser, it won't yet appear. In order for it to appear, you must upload it to a web server. Okay, so I'm ready to do that, but before we move on, let's look at Composer as well, and a similar idea. Okay, I've embedded it there, but you don't see the actual source code. But there it is. I've embedded that iframe source code in the body of the document. Again, when I'm looking at the design page, unfortunately, we do not see it. So now that I have created it, and I'm ready to save it. And I've saved it in a folder that I created called ytembed, and there's the document, yt.html. I've saved that previously. I'm ready to go to GoDaddy in order to upload it to my domain. Okay, so here we are at GoDaddy. I've logged in. You'll see my name there. I'll click on my name. And at that point, I can, in fact, visit my account. So I'll click Visit My Account. And there we see domains, and I will launch that domain. What that will take me to is the domain manager. Okay, so I'll click on my domain name because that's the one I want to work with. And notice you have some tabs here at the top. I'll click on Hosting, and once that loads, I'm ready now to choose either File Manager or FTP Users. We'll choose File Manager. And this is the real power, I think, of GoDaddy, is that, in fact, this is where you can upload your folders and files. The first thing I'm going to do, though, is create a new folder. And I'm going to name it ytembed, just meaningful name, okay, for the folder. There's the folder. I'm going to click on it once. And this in this window shows me where the what files are in that folder. Notice they're none. So I'm ready to, I can either upload a file, browse for the file, or drop the file there. And just for fun, we'll look at how to drop the file. Here it is in that folder. I'm going to drop the file into that window, and sure enough, now it's there. Okay, in a folder or directory called ytembed, the name of the file is yt.html. So all I need to do is insert that into my URL, and I can take a look at it. Let's do that. Here we are in a new browser window. My my domain name is tjcs.mobi. And let's see, I had a folder called embed No, it was actually ytembed. And let's see, yt.html, does that sound about right? And let's see, sure enough, there it is. So remember, this is the folder I created, and this is the file name, okay? And then I just have that all attached to my domain name. All right, so now we see that the YouTube video is available on your web page. So give that a shot.